Nice one, cool dudes. I presume you've already read the title. So yes, I'm going on my first solo wild camp. But don't you hate camping, Marek? Yes, I absolutely abhor it. But I thought, you know, you've got to go on an adventure. Maybe it'll change your mind, Marek. Also, you bought all that camping gear, which you've listed on your website, and the price per use is still too high. So, off we go. I've chosen to go on a Sunday evening because it'll be quieter. It's July, temperature, it's going to be about 14 degrees. And also it's going to be a full moon, so I might be the first person to get killed by a werewolf on a wild camp now in my luck. I must try and be more optimistic. I'm going to cook myself a nice meal and look at the stars, even though it's going to be cloudy and I won't be able to see the stars. But at least the clouds will stop the werewolves. Yes, you're right, sunglasses, Marek. Thank you. You'll get killed by a rabid badger instead. Oh. As I mentioned before, it's Sunday night, which means there's pretty much no one around. And that is my solution to the age-old Sunday night blues. If you do something on Sunday night, it feels like you're getting a free night and there's no one else around. That is my solution to it anyway. I still get it even when I'm self-employed, which is really weird. As you might be able to hear, cool dudes, the bad news for me is that it's very windy, which means I'm gonna have a nightmare putting up my tent because I'm incompetent at that, as well as most things. Finally, I'm here. Now, the attempt to set up camp. This spot looks cracking. Yes, you're right. That was pretty painful for everyone involved. And now I've got about half an hour left to cook a meal before it gets blooming dark. I hate it already. Restaurant. Bed. Sea. I'm going to treat myself to one of these meals which have been given to me by the wandering chef. There are bolognese and parmesan, date, banana and porridge, and fruity couscous. I think I have this. You can check out his website and get these. These are vegan, and I'm going to add some of my own lardons and onions. It even comes with a sachet of parmesan. Nice one. Thanks, wandering chef. This is delicious, but don't buy this spork. It's rubbish. Well, cool dudes, I think I've probably got bolognese in my mouth, excuse me, but it's getting dark now. It's about 10 to 10, so I better go and blow up my mattress. It's about 11 o'clock. I probably won't sleep because I saw someone on the cliff looking down at my tent about 10 o'clock, which annoyed me. Anyway, that's about it. I'm going to read some of The Princess Bride and try and get to sleep. See you in the morning, fingers crossed. As you can see, cool dudes, it's about 4 o'clock in the morning. I got disturbed by a mouse. I Probably had about an hour sleep, but I'm going to get up and watch the sunrise so I can pack up and go back to bed as soon as possible. Nice one, cool dudes. You know what they say? Sometimes the best way to start the day is going straight back to bed. They don't say that. I just said that. So there's a new saying for you. Oh look, it's the ferry that goes to Guernsey, the Condor Clipper. There we go, all cleared up. Just gone 5 o'clock. It took me about an hour to pack up. It was an interesting experience. I have to say I'm very pleased with my tent setup. That Mongar tent I got from China is really good, as well as the other stuff. The positives are I did not get turned into a werewolf, but on the downside I did get spooked by a mouse. Let's just not ever tell anyone about that, all right? I suppose it's time for the question of the day, cool dudes, which is, do you like camping? And if so, what is wrong with you? Please write your answers below. Nice one. As we approach the lifeboat station, the end of the adventure, it's time to say thank you very much for watching. And if you have enjoyed this video, why not join the Cool Dudes Walking Club? And that way you can help me make more films like this. Thank you very much to everyone who has joined. It is integral to my survival. If you do join, you can go to YouTube, where you can choose an option from one of these 4 tiers of however much you want to pay a month. And for that, you get to use emojis, you get members only videos, and you get entered into the prize draw, which is coming up after this. All right, time to go back to bed. Oh yeah, one more thing, stay cool. Nice one, cool dudes. And yes, it did take me about a week to recover from having no sleep. Anyway, this week, let's get straight on with the prize draw. The Wandering Chef has given me 3 more of his delicious meals to give as a prize. I've tried the couscous as well since that walk. Also delicious. So I can recommend getting this if you're looking for some nice cheap meals to cook. So the prize is the meals, Cards by Stripey Art, the Pooh Man game, and Swimsuit Marek. Yes, you heard that right. I've made a swimsuit edition of myself in the keyring. That is what happens when you're an out of work actor. Anyway, let's go on with the prize draw. Oh, if you're one of these 2 people, you have yet to claim your prize from past prize draws, please email me. Okay, currently there are 391 cool dudes who've been kind enough to sign up on YouTube. Random number generator. Generate me a number. Generate 152. Well, my friends, you might not believe this, but the person who has been a member for the 152nd longest amount of time, 14 months in total, is none other than the Kentish Pilgrim, who is my friend Carlos. This is not fixed, I promise you. Carlos, I hope you enjoy the swimsuit version of me as a keyring. I can't think of anyone who would love it more, and also enjoy the meals as well. Alright, that is it, cool dudes. More videos coming soon. like, subscribe, all the things that you're supposed to say right now. Oh yeah, one more thing. Stay cool.